welcome aboard the Barley family.
Thank you. Hi. Thank you. We did. We finally made it. Thank you. This is Animator's Palette. I love these chairs. They're so cute. Here we are at our room. So we upgraded and we got all our luggage from our old room. So walked the whole length of the ship. So nice.
Hello, welcome.
Hi, thank you. Okay, and here we are. Here's our room. So whenever you come in, we have cupboards here. We haven't had a chance to look yet. And then we have the bathroom. And then the second part of the bathroom, which is the shower and the tub. And here's our storage. And our bed area. Desk and couch. Mike, what do you think so far?
Very nice.
Yeah? Enjoying yourself?
Yes.
They have these little lamps that are so cute with the ships on them. And then here is the reason we upgraded. We upgraded to a full balcony, and we're on the same side that we're going to see Castaway Cay. And the total cost of our upgrade was $95. So it's not bad. So I'm going to go out there and show you guys. Here's our balcony. We got one chair, a little table, and another chair. Right now, it's just a view of the Port of Miami. Still waiting to take off because it's only about 2:30 in the afternoon. We were really lucky and we got in at 11:45. We booked a partially obstructed view originally. I think it had a tiny bit more of this here. It was room 8662 originally, and now we're in room 9540, which was a full balcony with the. Okay, so we wanted to give a little update. Here's our door now. My little ghost got stuck. And I'll show you in the room. Okay, so we I'm gonna open this fully this time. Only have a few things hanging up in this closet here. Just like sweaters and jeans, that sort of thing. And then in this cupboard, see if I can back up enough. We have all of our dress clothes for our dinners, Halloween costumes, book bags, and then all of the shoes that we brought with us. Of course, we brought our Vans Disney shoes. Mike's already wearing his. Okay, so over here we have all of our just like mainly bathroom stuff so we can keep them out of the bathroom. And then we have, I was able to put like all my camera equipment in here. And then this is all of my clothes in these drawers. These drawers are super deep, just to give you an idea here from the side. Yeah, so they're good. And then also in here is our so we brought on 2 bottles of wine for myself. We just have just a few things in here, just a few things over here. And in here is where they keep like the hair dryer. So we haven't even really used this drawer yet. And then Mike was able to get all of his clothes in these drawers. So these ones are a little bit thinner. And then as you can see, both of our suitcases are under the bed, and the one is a full-sized Air Canada hard shell, and that's our carry-on. Oops, sorry, that's our carry-on. Yeah, so a lot of space. We really like how large this room is. We've only done inside room before, so maybe that's why we're thinking it, but it is great. Simply gorgeous. We were just saying this is the nicest port to go out of. It is just, oh my god, it's just breathtaking. These parks are just so beautiful. You can see all the boats. There's one of MSC's over there, Royal Caribbean. There's another one, you can't see it anymore. It went way out. There's the beach. Just beautiful.